Hello. Hi guys. Welcome to Ultimate Forex. Today, 18th October 2020, and we will discuss on gold. So let's the chart. This is the daily time frame, and as we have discussed earlier, that we are in a fourth wave. So let's see. This one is first wave, and the second wave was the flat correction. You can see this is 1, 2, and 3. A, B, C. This is called subwave A, B, C. This is A, B, C, and this one is C5 waves. So second wave was the flat correction and 61.8 percentage. Now see the, so we forecast the fourth wave now. Earlier we have seen that we have corrected 23.6 percentage, which was completed 1862, and one possibility is 38.2 percentage correction, which is near 1728. Now as per the Iliad wave rules, alternate rules, second wave was a flat correction, so this fourth wave may be the zigzag correction, and this one is deep correction, so fourth wave may shallow correction. So shallow correction may complete between the either 23.6 percentage or 38.2 percentage. So let's go inside this area. Fourth wave pattern. Yeah. So third wave was completed here, 2075, and after this third wave completion, you can see this is the five wave moves, which is a zigzag. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So A leg of the fourth wave correction is a zigzag. So we can see this is the zigzag correction, and the B wave is a triangle correction. You can see triangle pattern is like A, B, C, D, and E. And this B wave corrected, this B wave corrected to this A wave is around 50 percentage, exact 50 percentage. So this one is not flat correction. If this was the flat correction, then B wave may see around starting point of the A wave around 2073, but this one is completed around 1973. So this ABC whole pattern is zigzag. So our A leg is complete, B leg is complete around 1973, and we are in a C wave. So earlier we have seen that we have counted this wave 1 to wave C, but I think this one is not the five wave moves. This is like A, B, and C. So this entire pattern is the correction of the this first leg. Let's zoom this area. You can see this is one is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this one is five wave moves. So we call it as a wave 1 of the C wave. Then A, B, and C. So this one is we called as a wave 2. So let's see how much wave 2 have corrected the wave 1. It is nearly 61.8 percentage. So this is good. And now wave 3. So wave 3 have, I have forecasted up to the 1780, but this part we will not consider right now. We will forecast for this third wave. So we can see here one first leg is completed. You can see here minor first leg, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you can see here. So if we are right, then we will not close above this level. Second wave high of the second wave is 1933. So with the stop loss of 1933 we can sell. So we forecast this wave. Let's see, we compute the A wave, and first target is 1831, and if we go beyond the 1831 then the target is 1800 and 1780. So for the next move we will keep in mind this level 1831 and 1800 and 1780. So later on we will decide where this third wave will complete. So I have give tentative label as a 1780. So we will decide later. So today, for Monday we can sell here with the stop loss of you can sell with the two stop loss. One is this one 1915, and above that one is 1934. So with the stop loss of 1915 or 1934 for the target of 1831. And then I have, if we are right, then we can see the below 1800 around 1726, which is the 38.6 percentage of this entire third wave. So I, you can see here like this. Hmm. 38 percentage is, yeah, 38 complete near 1730, and our zigzag target is also near 1726. So now onwards we are on a bear side for the target of 726 on higher time frame, and for a few days target is 1830. So you can understand like this 535 pattern, 535 called as zigzag. This one is 1 2 3 4 5. Then this is ABCD triangle pattern, and this is 5 1 2 3 4 and 5. And if the price move above the 1935, then this whole analysis is nullified. Then we will re-label it. So hope you guys understand the video. If you like my videos, then you can share it and subscribe it. Thank you.